Guys, DJ Darren here, RB Life. I just bought this thing for 30 bucks, replacing my old one here. It was real easy. It was, once the wall's exposed, you just have these, it's like thin nuts here, and you undo them, and right here my wall's exposed, so just undid them, pulled it out real easy. The new stuff there, put my new thing on. It's a single control now, so no like that. I'm going for a brushed nickel finish in my RV, so it's perfect. This actually turned out to be plastic, which bummed me out. I thought it would be real brushed nickel, but I couldn't even find this for real metal, so I'm gonna live with it for 30 bucks. But I like it a lot. And right here I'm gonna have my attachment here, so you got the, I got my new low use, whatever, I forget the name of that, but that's Oxygenics. Super awesome shower things. And then I'll just go right here, I'll plug in there, and then this cord's kind of long, so I gotta kind of figure out how to route it. I need to get one or two of these. I'm gonna get nickel finish, nickel little holders, and have to route this, so because this thing's too long, but I'll have to route it so it's out of the way. But yeah, anyway, that's the new one. Really easy. A new plastic thing, had a little rubber thing behind it in the plastic, then just hand tighten it all the way, and perfect, done. I love it. 30 bucks, and the new shower nozzle too, so looking good. There's one of my vents I rerouted, so vents inside here. But yeah, I like it. 30 bucks. I'll leave the link. It's on Amazon. And the Oxygenics, I'll leave a link for that too as well. Alright.